Naik Cavite. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Mr. Saber from the outside. It's Mr. Saber followed by Showmaster, Storm, and Tobacco moving up on the inside, Prying Eyes, and Matter of Honor on the farther outside. And heading for the backstretch, it's Storm by the rail, Mr. Saber, the favorite on the outside, Showmaster, running in third by 3.5 lengths, entry number 1, Tobacco, Prying Eyes, Matter of Honor. And at the mid-back stretch, the outstanding favorite, Mr. Saber, leading the field by 3.5 lengths. Storm remains in second, and Showmaster running in third. In fourth is Tobacco, Prying Eyes, Matter of Honor. Nearing the far turn, it is still Mr. Saber, maintaining a 3 lengths lead, followed by Storm in second, and Showmaster remains in third by 4.5 lengths. Tobacco, Prying Eyes moving up on the outside, and Matter of Honor is still trailing the group. The last bend for home, it is still Mr. Saber, the outstanding favorite, by 3.5 lengths. Storm closing in second on the outside. Showmaster, Prying Eyes on the farther outside, Tobacco, and Matter of Honor. At the top of the stretch, it is still Mr. Saber by 3.5 lengths, followed by Storm on the outside, and Showmaster, Prying Eyes on the farther outside. Into the home stretch and nearing the playoff line, it is still the outstanding favorite, Mr. Saber. And finally at the playoff line, it's a cinch for Mr. Saber, enclosed between Storm, Showmaster, Prying Eyes, Matter of Honor, and Tobacco.
Okay.